Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. Now for this process you will need a computer and a cable that can be Mac or Windows, doesn't really matter. And the cable you want to plug into that computer and then connect it to your device. And there we go. And from here, once you connect it, power off your device, so tap on the power button there, select power off once more, and now while the device is turning off you want to hold volume up and volume down. And as you can see, we are now almost in the download mode. So it tells us to press volume up to continue, so that's what I'm gonna do. And there we go, this is the download mode. So that is how you would access download mode. And once you're done with it and you want to leave it, you can hold volume down and power key for more than 7 seconds. So let's do it right now. And this will take us back to, well, actually it's just gonna turn off the device by default, I believe. There we go. Once the writing on the screen disappears, you can let go and then just hold. Well, actually I didn't need to hold anything, it automatically booted back up. Also, while it's turning back on, we can unplug it because the cable is not needed anymore. And as you can see, we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.